bedroom, which is our room. That's where.
Hello, everybody. This is Nicole. Stephanie here's too. We are investigating a home that's being remodeled. It's a private residence.
We've had some open points in here. Back here is the where Joe said he feels like something is in here. Let's see here. If I can get in here. See, that's just the water.
There is no electricity in here currently. It's being remodeled.
And that right there is because it's a hot water tank.
But there's no power going to it.
Wait, you're right. You sure that's not because it's the...
If anybody knows of any reason on why it'd be going with no power, let me know.
It's turned off at the box completely.
And just to prove it, light does not come on.
Absolutely no electric, no gas, no nothing. Alright, so we get a reading in here. That's the one spot Joe said he just felt something evil went in there. What, babe? Okay. Just show the step.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom. Haven't really had much happen in here. Like in here. And still just one green. Charlie, are you here? Charlie was a former resident before we owned it and the previous owner. We believe, oh, here we go. Won't you walk into the... So we might have Charlie walking with us. There's been phone calls to us about someone running in the house. Like it's someone literally stomping and running through the house and no one's here. Doors opening and shutting. We've had lights turn on and off. Our front porch light don't work at all. Switches, nothing. When we did have power. It turned on, has not been turned on since. Okay. Then we also have the Necrophonic app we do. This bathroom, I don't know. I haven't really felt much in here either. Everyone says it's been pretty calm.
That's good. Watch where you step.
This is Sebastian's room, the writing room. Seems like we only are getting hit in our room and coming through the hallway. Charlie, are you here? Anyone here? You gonna show yourself today? You guys have been pretty quiet.
We could place it on the floor somewhere and ask them to come up to it if we step away.
That there's no electric is like right here.
Yeah.
Let's see, where is it? Alright, here we go. Here's the light. Like there's
no power coming from it
at all. We had it's completely turned off at the box itself. Alright, so we're gonna leave this EMF right here. Oh.
I'm gonna step back.
Alright, if anyone's here, can you show us on the EMF reader? Can you turn it yellow or orange?
If you approach that phone, it will light up to yellow or orange and red.
We're wanting to communicate with you guys. You guys have been pretty quiet.
We don't mean you any harm. We just want to make sure we know who you are and find out why you're still here. Excuse your shaking, guys. It is cold.
Yeah, it's a bit chilly in here. My in-laws live next door. They're the ones who call about the running through the home. My sisters had to come over here. My dad's had to come over here. Sister knocked on the door, and she said she felt like someone was just staring at her. Me and my fiance have seen faces in our windows. He was doing yard work, and he heard someone walking in the house. He came in, no one was here. We did previously have electric until about, a week ago. And then it was all disconnected. Alright, you guys want to try the Necrophonic app? Is that easier?
first say you're not allowed to attach to us, to our devices. You're not allowed to follow us home, okay? You gotta stay here.
Alright, we're gonna switch to the necrophonic, alright? If you guys want to communicate, you communicate with the necrophonic app. Again, you cannot attach to me or my mother, our devices, or anything we leave with, you cannot attach yourself to. We are wanting to speak to you. We come here with peace, no harm. We would like to see why you guys are here. If you need help, let us know. Alright?
How many spirits are here in this home?
Charlie, are you here?
Who all is here? How many?
I think last time I heard 7. Sound like 2 means. How many of you guys are here? Sounds like 7. Why are you guys here? Are you guys stuck? Do you need help?
I heard a yes.
I know,
Ask
get that
one
a lot.
question at a time. Was this your home?
I know when Joe was here, you guys were not happy at all. Is there a reason you don't like Joe? Do you like my mom? She can help you as well. Just communicate with us with the device.
Who runs through the home?
I'm gonna try walking back there in that room. I heard that.
What, can you repeat that?
Sounds like at the end of something question. Do you have a question? Sound like say yeah.
What's your question? They say, what's my name?
I think so. I heard what?
You don't know my name?
Leland. Sound like said Leland.
What is your name?
Yes, dirty. I'm gonna move to the back. You can follow us so you can speak with us. Since you like the master bedroom. What do we say? See what I mean by kids?
Whose room is this?
His?
What's his name? Who lived here before?
Tony. Are you good spirits?
Are you human spirits?
Is that you, right? Like an old-fashioned... Are you upset that we're remodeling the house? What I'm gonna do is put it on the floor just in case and step back. I'm gonna leave this here. You can speak right through here. We'll step back so you have all access.
Are you attached to the land?
Miss? Asshole. You hear that? It's like asshole.
Who's an asshole?
What was that? It sounded like a growl. I have never heard that on there. Get out. And I just repeated my first word, get. Hope. What? That literally almost sounded like Alexa. It was like Alex. And it stopped. Is there something you want to say to me? What? Can you repeat that for me?
Did you say leave?
Mm-hmm. Yep. I've heard that a few times.
Can we ask why?
Listening. Can we ask why you want us to leave? No. What? Cursed. That was clear. Cursed.
Who is cursed? This home?
There's only been Charlie and his wife, Lucas, and now me and Aaron. The only owners that's ever had this place.
Are you attached to the land?
Land. Are you from the graveyard up the road? So,
Are you Native American?
messages.
What year did you live?
Can you tell us the year that you lived? Stop. It literally just said stop.
We're not here to upset you. Not at all.
We're not here to upset you. We're not here to remove you or anything like that. I'm sure we can live among each other peacefully.
But I am going to ask just one more time, are you human? Do you like Aaron? Is Aaron and Stephanie welcome here?
I heard a tiny yip in that last one. Are we welcome here? Are we okay to live here? We're only going to fix the place up to make it look better. The previous owners destroyed it.
Can I ask why you're still here?
I heard come on, but something's really pulling me to the graveyard. Like I'm getting like flashes of the graveyard. Do it. Did you just say hi? Okay.
Did you used to live on this land?
Sounded like it was like Nicole. It sounds like Nicole.
Can you say my name again?
You just said her name twice. Can you say it again for us? Do you hear that?
Make
It was like broke up, but it sounded like Nicole just broke up.
Why didn't you cross over?
Is there anything you want us to say to a loved one? Will that help?
How many are here? Not me.
I heard before that, I swear it said guess bitch. I'm dead serious. It was like guess bitch.
Did you call me a mean name?
Anyone want to say anything before we stop the communication app? Is there anything left you want to say?
Do you want the electric back on? Is that a yes and a no together?
I think so. One said yes, one said no. I'm gonna try and get the electric on this weekend for you guys. Wait. Mike?
So, can everybody live here peacefully together? Is somebody French?
I think we might have a few spirits from the graveyard up there.
Parlez-vous français?
They're like, what? Responded.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Hmm? Help me.
Habla español? Sí.
Hmm? I think we might have a few spirits from the graveyard. That's here.
Did you come here from the graveyard? Are you attracted to this place? Is there a reason on why you're attracted to this place? Do you miss your family?
Yeah.
What's your name? Did somebody say Ephraim?
Repeatedly.
Is your name Ephraim? Is Jerry here? You're afraid to go?
Mike DeMuth, do you follow me? Are you the trickster in the house?
Who opens the doors?
Who's me?
Okay, let me ask this a different way. What's the name of the spirit that opens the doors? Who turns on the lights? You do? Are you friendly?
Do you just like playing with people in the house?
Do you like seeing people get shocked and scared? Does it make you laugh? Yep. Well, at least you're talking nice.
So I'm taking it you guys are nice spirits.
Are you human?
Are you attached to something in the house? That sounds like you. Sounds like you. You. Are you attached to me?
With your gifts, they do come to you. Just like they did to me.
I thought I seen somebody walk past the door. And Aaron, I think's in the Jeep.
Did somebody just walk by the door? Yep. Is Charlie still here?
Jerry? What was Jerry's name? I don't know if he passed or not, though. I'm going to get ready to shut this off. Is there anything you need to say or want to say to anybody? Ian.
What about Ian? Bless you.
Donka?
Danke. Willkommen. Were you German?
Aaron's part German, his dad. Are you here, Marilyn? Because you're German. Marilyn Karst, are you here? Yes. We miss you, Marilyn. I want to thank everyone for communicating with us tonight. You were very nice and friendly.
If it's okay with you, can we come back and talk to you some more?
I guess. You want us to come during daylight? We can come anytime you want us to. Alright.
I wish you all peace.
You're welcome to stay here. You're friendly and good. You're welcome to stay.
We're not here to boot you out.
You scare my sister, though. You scare her like crazy. Yep.
Kind of make Aaron a little bit nervous too. Can you try not to spook him anymore?
I think you guys made him a believer.